So until now, what I understood is all these things you're procuring are from local farmers
Yeah.
here in Ladakh itself,
Right.
and you guys made it a fellowship. So cool. You saw that there is something that people shall be taking back home when they are going away from Ladakh. But how did this idea that hey, our truck will be this? सिर्फ इसी चीज पर आके आप लोगों ने क्यों सोचा कि हम लोग चाय और सॉसेस के जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो बनाकर लोगों को देंगे?
Because it's not like how we started. We started with the vision stays the same, even though it has been like 3 years.
So
The
what did you
vision was
start
to
with?
promote Ladakh and to promote local produce, right?
ingredients.
So we started with cakes and juices, right? We went to all these festivals, you know, all the
Pop-up
Swiss
stalls.
festivals.
Okay.
We had pop-up
The
stalls.
local festivals.
Yeah. And then we would make a buckwheat cake.
I think the festival, the kind of ones chosen organizers.
Yeah, that one also,
Right.
economics of happiness,
Yeah.
we went there also.
Right.
And but then we realized, okay, this is not sustainable and it is not going to be long term. If you
Mhm.
want to promote Ladakh, you need to be outside Ladakh. So we need to have something that is that can stay on shelf for long, that can be shipped easily outside. And that is how we this tea specifically, we got the inspiration from East Asian countries like Japan and Korea.
How did you come across that?
Because whenever we go to Delhi, we go to Korean restaurants
Okay.
and they serve barley tea
Barley
as
tea.
complimentary. And when we first tasted it, like we were like, why does this taste sound so
Similar.
very
Oh,
similar?
of course, because you
And we
guys.
were like, isn't it barley? Like,
Oh.
what were we doing till so far?
Yeah.
No, like, why are we not doing the way
This is barley, right?
countries are doing?
Hmm.
So that is why these products, and also this we say like do something that also
So you guys just went like
it.
Eureka, this is what we have in our backyard.
Yeah, just in our backyard, I never thought about it.
So you mentioned Delhi. I mean, what is the relationship that you share with Delhi and rest of India? Like, what is the background of four of you?
So, like in education part, I've done my high school from like Delhi, and then again graduation from Delhi University.
What did you study?
I did political science honors
From DU.
from DU College.
Okay. What about you?
Yeah.
Sorry,
No,
please.
that's it.
Yeah.
So even I think all four of us have the same story of after completing 10 standards, most of the Ladakhis go outside to
Okay.
pursue higher studies because we don't have good colleges over here.
Okay.
So even I did my plus 2 from Delhi and then I did my college from Delhi University.
So it's just a sort of culture thing.
Yeah, culture
Yeah.
thing.
Do 10th and you just
Yeah, you
leave.
go outside,
Yeah.
you stay there until you find a job.
So all four of you studied in Delhi.
No, I did. Actually, I studied. I did my till plus 2, till 10th standard. I studied Delhi itself, and after that, for 2 years, I studied at Chandigarh,
Okay.
and then moved
It's a
to
beautiful
Jammu.
city.
Yeah, and then I spent my 5 years in Jammu studying. Completed my graduation, post graduation in chemistry.
You did 5 years?
I did 3 years of graduation.
Acha, okay.
and
Sorry.
2 years of
I was
masters.
like 5 years dancing. What are you doing? So this is about how you guys met, how you guys procured. First of all, I'm just curious. Can I eat it? Just like that? Where else do you procure these things from? Like, where do you get this from? Where do you get all these badges from?
Regarding the packaging, I think we have to procure from Delhi because we don't have any side units where the packaging are being processed.
Here in Ladakh
Yeah.
or nowhere in Punjab or Himachal, Chandigarh,
No,
nowhere?
everything is in
Only
Delhi.
from Delhi.
Bottles are from Gujarat.
No, they're
They're from also
Delhi.
Delhi. So Delhi is like
Because the transportation is quite easier, like getting it from Delhi.
Hmm.
Because there's a constant thing going on.
So train or
No.
roadways.
Truck
Okay.
roadways.
So after let's say November, we won't have anything of this. So we have to have the stock of all these packages by
got it?
October.
Got it.
For 3-4 months we are shut, and then we don't have anything else. So that's why we have to do everything strategically. How when to order, what to order.
So this is like you just mentioned कि आप दिल्ली गए आपने वहाँ पे बार्ले चाय पिया and you realized hey this is something I have in my backyard. This is what you already know, like you know what buckwheat, the value it carries, the value of this leaf, the value of barley. Why shall someone who's looking at this video maybe, or people away from this land who don't know what all these things are, or who don't even know the concept of tea other than green tea maybe or the regular tea, why shall they be buying this?
Because this is not only about the taste that this tea has.
No, I had it and it's really good taste.
Yeah, it's light and it's like you feel like you can have it again and again and again.
So it's
The
health.
usual
It's
usual
about
green
health.
teas are like you can't have it more than one cup and it's bitter and it gets
Okay.
bitter. But this one is like you can have flask full of tea.
Hmm.
Apart from the health part, it is also about promoting local economies, promoting local businesses.
Right.
And what we are doing is we are not being the middleman. We are directly getting whatever we're getting from the farmers. They have the fixed rate
Hmm.
and they do not lower the price from that. So that we are supporting more, so that we can say like you continue doing your farming, so that because they have this sense of okay, there's someone to buy our products.
You're just securing their interest
Yeah,
in terms
yeah,
of commercial
yeah.
interest. Cool.
That's there. And it's also good because Ladakh has become union territory. All the startups are booming.
Right.
And I think it's important to support such startups
Okay.
because this way you are like economy is one thing that is going
Yeah, so its
to
health reasons are obviously there for people who are suffering from something like blood pressure issues
Yeah.
or gut issues.
Yeah.
Shall definitely go for it.
right.
For the health freaks, it's 0 calorie, right?
Yeah.
No,
I mean,
caffeine in
I
there.
was just going through the ingredients and it says it's just 3 grams
Yeah.
and no fats, just very less sugar, that is natural sugar,
Yeah.
light sodium in barley and no sodium in buckwheat.
Hmm.
So for the health freaks, that is the benefit.
That's
Third is the one that you talked about is basically supporting Ladakhi economy.
yeah. Right.